Calabrian Chile pasta, a one-pot wonder. Each bite offers a burst of spicy flavor. I'm starting with my Calabrian Chile paste pasta, and I'm making it all in one pot, so it's gonna be quick and super easy. We're gonna start by adding 2 teaspoons of salt. We're not cooking the pasta in very much water, so you wanna make sure you don't over salt it because it's gonna evaporate into the pasta and you don't want the pasta to be too salty. So we're cooking the pasta in 1 inch of water in a high-sided skillet. It's 4 cups of water. Usually when I cook pasta or penne, a short pasta, I cook it in about 8 cups of water, so it's half the amount of water. And believe it or not, it's gonna absorb all of the water and it's gonna cook perfectly. And I know it sounds kind of weird, especially for an Italian, to make pasta in not a lot of water, but actually it works beautifully. And I do owe it to Mr. Alton Brown, who taught me that this actually works. And when I'm cooking really fast and something quick and easy, and I wanna make it all in one pot, and I don't wanna clean up a lot of extra stuff, this makes a very easy dinner. So while that cooks, I am going to quarter my cherry tomatoes. So this pasta is made of cherry tomatoes, some chives, some Calabrian chili paste, which is super spicy. So if you're making this for kids, I would sort of avoid the Calabrian chili paste because it's incredibly spicy, but incredibly delicious. And these are large cherry tomatoes, but you could use whatever cherry tomatoes you find. The sweetness of the cherry tomatoes is really nice with the heat of the Calabrian chili paste. Next, we're gonna chop some chives. So as you can see, I've picked ingredients that work really well together and are very colorful to create a really beautiful looking pasta that you can make really fast. As always, I eat with my eyes first, so I want things to look really, really, really pretty. Chop up all the chives for a nice mild onion flavor. And we'll leave this up here because we're gonna add it all to the pot once the penne are actually cooked. And now let's check our pasta. Pasta is done. Perfect. Okay, there's gonna be a little bit of water just left on the bottom, which you need to create a little sauce. And I add 1 cup of pecorino romano. And pecorino is made from sheep's milk. It has a bit of a spicier, saltier bite to it. Toss, toss, toss till the cheese is melted on the pasta. And I like to start with the cheese so that the rest of the ingredients kind of stick to the cheese, it sticks to the pasta, and it creates a nice little sauce. Okay, time for everything else. We're gonna add all of the tomatoes. The heat of the pasta in the pan kind of heats through the tomatoes, but still you're gonna have a little bit of that crunch from fresh tomato. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of Calabrian chili paste. It's Calabrian hot chilies. They're turned into a paste with a tiny bit of vinegar and salt. It's pretty basic, but it's really spicy. When you take your first bite, you probably won't notice it's super spicy, but as you eat a little bit more of it, it slowly releases a sweet and spicy flavor, which I think is really quite delicious. There we go. All right. Next, we're gonna zest a lemon, a little citrus to kind of bring out the flavor of the chili paste. We're also gonna juice half of a lemon. And creates a little bit more moisture too. And now, last but not least, we're gonna need 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Again, creating a little bit of a sauce. And now we toss all together and make sure that all of the pasta is coated in the Calabrian chili paste. Honestly, it's one of my favorite new ingredients, and it creates a nice little creamy sauce. Okay. Now, the best part. Going in to taste it all.